All right, slow is smooth and smooth is fast, and it's all how you talk to people about your own insecurities. Keep those two concepts in mind, all right? I want to break this down. You guys are going way too fast. Slow the F down. Part of the reason that you're giving up on your network marketing business is because you're coming in and you're expecting in 2 weeks to become a millionaire because you watched some guru online or the person who brought you into the business hyped it up. All you got to talk to 2 people and you're going to make $600,000 in your first 2 months. I was pitched that way, and yes, the first 10 years of this industry, I did the same thing. It's not a lie, it's mathematically possible, but you really have to slow down. And I want to give you you have to look at this as a brick by brick building business. If you haven't seen it, Will Smith did a video years ago, an interview with Charlie Rose. There's a 2-minute interview on YouTube you could find where Will Smith talks about taking a brick or a wall that his father had him and his brother build. And they had this whole summer to build a wall. They thought they were never going to do it, but all Will Smith did was concentrate every single day on laying a perfect brick and moving forward. All I want you to think about is this. If you truly want to succeed in this business, slow the hell down and focus on getting free product or service, depending upon your business. Listen to my logic on this one. So many of you are going to get discouraged in the invite process. Remember, it's contact, invite, show the plan, and follow up. And I'm very passionate about teaching people the skill sets of talking, right? How to pitch properly, how to close, how to invite, how to present. That's my passion. I love that. But if we're going to truly teach this, the common denominator out there, work on getting free product every year. That's it, right? Let's work on getting free product every month, free product every year. The biggest complaint, let's address that. I can't get people to see this. I can't do this. I can't do that. Ditch your defeatist attitude. Break it down 30 days at a time. For the most part, if you're in your network marketing business, you're required to make a purchase every month, right? That's your barbershop chair fee or your stripper pole fee. You've heard my analogies on that before. That's your overhead every month. So if we flip the script and we start looking at, all right, instead of you paying, this is costing me money every month. No, it's allowing you, it's giving you the privilege of being able to make money with the company every month. That's your business overhead. Every month, you have to make a purchase for a product or a service. You're in the red, right? Let's just say you start out with $250. Every month, you have to make that purchase. So $250 comes out of your pocket, your business overhead. During that process, you have 30 days. 30 days. Even if you spoke to one person a day, the law of averages says that you're going to get one person in your business. You may even get 3, but let's stick to 1, right? Throughout that 30 days, it's a matter of whether or not you're lazy. And most of you out there all of you out there who are failing are lazy. You're scared. And you know what? I'm not going to baby you and tell you, oh, it's just you're scared. I don't want to be judged. I don't know one successful business person out there who really gave a shit about another person's opinion. They wanted their business to succeed so they could change the world and change lives of other people. You have 30 days, 1 month. Just take 1 month to talk to as many people as possible. Let's skim it down to Monday through Friday, 5 people a week. That's 20 people every month, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. That's what you're doing. Make sure my math is right on that. 5 people a week, you'll get 1 person in your business. That's a brand partner. You're going to get 1 brand partner. You're still in the red. That money, hasn't caught shit. You still came out of your pocket. Your business overhead. If done properly, if pitched properly, and we set all that kind of stuff up, you then now get a transaction, right? You're going to present value in the 3 C's. Talk about that all the time. That person comes in on whatever. Maybe they think the product is awesome. Maybe they think that the business plan and the machine is awesome. Or maybe they think the culture and the environment is awesome. Well, now you're back in the black, right? You're technically at 0, but you're back in the black because you got your product covered. So you got free product that month. This is it. This is all you care about. Every month, you're going to have to pay your business overhead. Throughout those 30 days, you have 30 or 31 days, depending upon the month, an opportunity, 30 or 31 of them, to talk to one person. One person will come in, you'll get a new brand partner. That brand partner will have a transaction that will cover the cost of your overhead. You will have free products every month. Do that 12 times. 12 times, you get a whole year of free product. You lost nothing. In the process, if you're smart enough to see what's going on, you've built social skills, you've wound up building up entrepreneur skills, all that kind of stuff. If this doesn't apply to you, look at it this way. If it's $250 a month that you wind up having to wind up covering the cost of your business every month, that's $3,000 a year. Every month now, since you are a business owner, depending upon you got a good lawful tax person, you write off your cell bill, your electric bill, your cable bill, depending upon the state, a portion of your rent, portion of your mortgage, your travel expenses for business. It's going to offset the cost at the end, your business refund for whatever your overhead was for the 12 months. So if you got a tax return that took a substantial chunk or covered the entire cost of what this was for the 12 months of that year, and you got free product, don't fucking say network marketing doesn't work. You just wanted to go way too fast. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. It's as simple as that. I don't know one skill set from when you're learning how to fire a gun for the first time. You don't go to the range and start rapid firing, learning to ride a bike, martial arts, writing a pen, a penmanship for kids. Every skill set is done slow. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Focus on 1 month at a time. 1 month at a time. Just wind up. You got your deduction every month. That's your business overhead because you're thinking like an entrepreneur. You're not thinking like a salesperson. You got 30 days. Monday through Friday, I'm going to work. Or Monday through Saturday, I'm going to work. I'm going to talk to one person a day. Brand partner comes in. That's a transaction that covers the cost of your product. You got free product. Build like that. In a matter of years, if you did that consistently, 2, 3, 4 years, your income is going to be unbelievable. We're doing this in a 2-part today. That's going slow, all right? Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. That's what you want to do. Stop thinking that you're going to be the next entrepreneur out there blowing up YouTube and Facebook. Let's teach this for the masses out there who don't know how to build. Focus, 1 brick at a time. Now we're going to talk about addressing your insecurities in the next video.